days off from marbled murrelet surveys, so I'm spending the next day and a half just kind of working my way north and checking out some of the hiking areas and other things that I can wander around and film the way that this channel does. So I'm currently at the Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area, and I always just love walking through the kinds of dune fields that you find in the Pacific coast. Like I said in an earlier video, you're so surrounded by coastal rainforest, and then you just enter these little zones, or you just suddenly disappear from one habitat type and just enter a completely different domain. So wandering around what looks like desert and filming all of the just incredible textures and patterns that deserts provide, and then you just go a couple hundred meters and you're back in rainforest again. So let's go explore this place and see what kind of cool stuff we can find. Absolutely love all these little patterns on the ground, these swirls, and looks like trails left by, I have no idea what. Could be some kind of critter, could be patterns of wind, various things dragging along. You can actually see some kind of mouse tracks on the ground, and there's a lot of cool stuff going on the ground over there. These. It's been a long time since I've actually found a well-developed shell like that, where so many of the structures are still intact and it's not smashed to pieces. The little curve at the end here, that's very, very cool. It's been quite a while. Most of them are just a bunch of little chunks of shell on the floor here. That's awesome. Well, I'm out by Seal Rock this morning. Just some amazing oceanside kind of mini cliffs, stuff covered in barnacles and all sorts of little tide pools around here. So kind of a fun spot to wander around this morning. I think it's a solid way to start out the day.